The smartphone in your pocket has led to the widespread tracking of people's movements via location services that are built into the many apps that you use. Your phone tracks your location mainly in two ways, using triangulation via cell towers and GPS. So what is the GDPR best practice if you're processing location data? Step 1 is a data protection impact assessment, also known as a DPIA. There can be little doubt that if you are processing location data, and especially GPS data, then you need to complete a DPIA. Recent guidance from the European Data Protection Supervisor outlines when a DPIA needs to be completed. The guidance has 9 criteria, and if you tick 2 or more of these criteria, then you need to complete a DPIA. Criteria 3 says tracking movements via location data, and criteria 5 mentions data process on a large scale, whether based on the number of people concerned or the amount of data processed on each of them. Anything that involves GPS tracking is both location data and is large scale, even if this involves a small number of data subjects, because the tracking of each person will involve a large amount of personal data. So it's clear, if you are processing location data, then you will need an impact assessment first.